Hi, this is Ellen Kalman with Coldwell Banker Realty, coming to you today from the Robbins model at Raajipo at Robbinsville. This is a wonderful 55 plus active community, and what you're seeing here is our top of the line largest home decorated for your enjoyment. It's 2 bedrooms, 2 baths on the first floor. If you select the optional second story, you'll have a 3rd bedroom with its own full bath and a large loft area. We have 4 models from which you can choose. The standard that you see at the Windsor model, if you looked at that one, or this one, the Robbins model, which is our top of the line largest home. The differentiator with Raajipo is that you get your own personal designer with whom you will sit and go through, do you want the standards, or would you like to take some of the upgrades like our 10-foot ceilings, our high cabinets with lighted doors, upgraded granite, and so many other features that are here just for you. Hexa Builders is here for you. Whether you'd like to see the home in person with a private tour, or if you want to see it more closely from the comfort of your home, just click on the 3D link for our virtual tour and walk through at your leisure. But as always, we're here to serve you.